Alright guys, super fun fact. This is my OBS key. Works in the ignition. This is my 05 6-liter key. Also works in the ignition. I know somebody's going to ask about it in the comments. These are my billet shifters with custom engraved knobs that I got from my buddy Brandon Thompson at Diesels and Dirtbags. Check out their website. They got some pretty cool stuff. Could we call this a cold start video? Because it
is. It hasn't been started.
Balls well, it hasn't been started in a week.
No. And a kitten purrs.
Watch out. Watch out.
Great! Squeaky belt? Diesel fumigated this place out. All right, guys. So as I said, I bought these headlight assemblies from Complete Performance probably about 7, 8, 9 years ago. I honestly don't remember, but they're pretty old, and they looked brand new right up until 2 years ago. Drove the truck every day, parked it in the carport, stayed out of the sun. It developed an electrical issue, kept leaving me stranded randomly, like super randomly. We'd replace one part that the shop said it needed, run good for 2 weeks, and then it'd leave me stranded. And then we'd replace another part the shop said it needed, and then it'd run good for 2 weeks, leave me stranded. I just got fed up with it, parked it back there in the field, sat out in the sun for 2 years and just scorched these headlights. So, and one thing that I did wrong when I put these lowers in years ago is I used incandescent bulbs in there and actually burnt this housing. So they started out really clear and pretty, like you're gonna see these new ones going in, and because the incandescent bulbs get so hot, it kind of ruined this housing. So we got LED everything to replace these. So we'll just get started with the install. Oh, there's one at the bottom. How the fuck do you get to that? Lay down here in the mud and the dog shit. Man, this is gonna suck. I gotta pull this whole fucking header panel. Hello, this is Vinny.
Hey, Benny. How you doing, man?
Doing good, Pete. What you getting into? That's good. I mean, you're still living. Ah. Okay. Yep. Correct. Yeah, that's for EPA purposes. So, not a big deal. They tuned mine for me and countless others. We just don't advertise.
One day later.
All right. I appreciate you, brother.
Happy to do it.
All right.
Talk to you soon, Pete. Yes, sir. You too.
right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
What's that number on the front of the inside of the truck right there? It's 6466.
That means that part came from a junkyard, so the front end of the truck at some point was wrecked.
Oh. That's a junkyard part number or
Yep.
shelf number or some shit? What's that plate on the front of it?
Where?
Right above it. Do you have the white plate?
Oh, that's the manufacturer's identification tag for when the truck was assembled at the plant.
Oh.
They want to scratch the fuck out of that housing.
I'm just holding.
Oh, I'm so happy my headlights are gonna sit in here properly now.
Yeah, it's gonna look cool.
Like literally everywhere I went with this truck, people would like walk out and like be pushing and prodding on the headlights. Like, I don't know, it's sitting there right.
Push and prod no more, people. Push and prod no more. Oh.
Oh, this is such a cocksucker.
Left turn signal?
Yep, it's just on. It's not blinking though. And it's just the center one, not the outside.
Oh, that ain't worth a fuck. These are just running lights. Oh, that one pushed out. Maybe not.
All right, all the lights are on now, except for this one on that bottom right. It's not on.
That's because I don't have the turn signal on.
Ah. But it should be flashing though, right?
I think that's what that resistor is for.
Ah, to make it flash.
The right one come on?
Do it again? No. But fuck, those headlights look great.
Weird, why don't we have blinkers?
Oh, it just turned on, and now the left side's off.
Did you hear that weird noise?
Yeah, wait. Click, click. I bet you that's what that.
Resistor's for.
Yeah, because this matches those light bulbs.
Yeah, we gotta figure out when that resistor goes. Both taillights are lit up orange.
Are they?
Yeah. Fuck, like this corner's sticking way out, that corner's way in. And I still don't know why we don't have blinkers.
Yeah, you can hear something trying.
Huh? Do what? I don't know.
Wiring.
No, swap bulbs.
They shouldn't have fucking done it.
Oh, that looks so nice, dude. This used to stick out like right here, and there's like this huge gap behind it.
Okay.
It was Groot. It was finished with his headlight install, baby Groot.
All right, guys, we just got done installing these headlights from Complete Performance. As you can see, everything's working and functioning properly. We converted everything over to LEDs. We did install the LED resistor for the blinkers, and I did LED bulbs in the taillights at the same time. Everything up here worked before we tore it apart and did the new headlights. After we got everything done and buttoned up, we tested the blinkers and we had no blinkers. I pulled the LED taillight bulbs out and went back to an incandescent bulb, and our blinkers up here started working. So if you're going to do LED taillight bulbs, you're going to have to do inline resistors for all this to work, because it just doesn't draw enough power. But yeah, pretty common problem. We just wanted to test it out and see if it was true, and it is. And so we got it figured out. So we're going to run to the store and get some resistors and reinstall our taillight bulbs. So that wraps up our install video for the Complete Performance 3-piece headlight assemblies. Check out our other video that we did on the taillights. We got the taillights in. Not a huge fan of the clear. I'm probably going to jump back on Complete Performance's website and grab the red taillights. When I was there visiting, Chris did say the clears were one of their more popular sellers, as well as the smoked. Just not for me. I like the OEM look better, so I'm going to jump on, order a set of the OEM taillights, and if you guys are interested in these parts, go to completeperformance.com, go to exterior, and then go to the lighting section. You can find everything that we installed in this video today. And if you have an OBS, jump on reviewdiesel.com and make sure you get a hydro chip tuner ordered for your OBS. Hands down, best upgrade I've done to this truck. I bought the truck with 300,000+ miles on it, never really planned on doing anything crazy. Got an S&B cold air intake when my factory filter was clogged up, and just the thing was a turd. Sucked pulling out in traffic. It just wasn't safe. So we grabbed a hydro chip tuner from Power Hungry Performance, threw it on the truck with 358,000 miles on it. That video is here on our YouTube channel as well. So yeah, if you're looking to increase your performance, fuel economy, or just make it a little safer to pull out into traffic, jump on reviewdiesel.com and get your hydro chip tuner, exhaust, cold air intake. We have everything for your OBS Ford right here at reviewdiesel.com. See you later.